Alright, here we are about to start the good old Windsong engine. Got it set up here. There's the exhaust. A lot of water will be shooting out of that thing. I've got it on the crane just in case the stand decides to collapse under the raw power of the engine starting. I've remounted the engine on its actual flexible motor mounts instead of the poles that I had it on there before. Got the expansion tank for the coolant all set up. Got the raw water intake going to a cooler full of water with a hose into it. I'm not sure how fast it'll suck out, but hopefully the hose will keep up. Got my battery bank fully charged and connected to the starter. I've got the engine completely rewired with all new wires and connections and hooked up to the engine panel. I've got a fuel tank, diesel, and I think it's ready to roll. I've just got to bleed the fuel and let her rip.